Okay, this is a Tacsew self-oiling sewing machine. It's a lock stitch. It's just a straight stitching machine. I've had some questions about what this will do, and this video might just be simpler than repetitively answering questions. Got some old handbag simulated leather here. There's 4 layers, and I'm using a size 18 needle with a Tech 70 thread. This would be used for like constructing purses or doing upholstery work, probably car interiors, boat covers, things like that. This does have a clutch motor, so you're going to have to put up with a little bit of background noise all the time when you use the machine.